Hello everyone, welcome to NG's Corner for Nurses. Hope all of you are doing well. Today in this video we will discuss how to remember the cranial nerves in an easy way. This video will cover the names and functions of cranial nerves by using mnemonics. There are 12 pairs of cranial nerves. They arise from the brain inside the cranial cavity and pass through various foramina in the bones of the cranium. And according to functions, these cranial nerves are divided into three types: sensory nerve, motor nerve, and mixed nerve. First, we will learn the names of the cranial nerves by using a mnemonic. The mnemonic is oh, 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 try, try, again failure. Victory gives values and happiness. This first O is denoting olfactory. That is the first cranial nerve. Second O denoting the second cranial nerve, that is optic. The third O denoting the third cranial nerve, that is oculomotor. First T is denoting fourth cranial nerve, that is trochlea. Next T is denoting the fifth cranial nerve, trigeminal. A denoting the sixth cranial nerve, abducent. F denoting seventh cranial nerve, facial. V denoting eighth cranial nerve, vestibule cochlear or acoustic. G denoting ninth cranial nerve, glossopharyngeal. V denoting 10th cranial nerve, vagus. A denoting 11th cranial nerve, accessory, that is spinal accessory nerve. And H denoting 12th cranial nerve, that is hypoglossal. And there are a Bengali mnemonic also, that is Ore o opu tora tara tari ay foti kaj gaiche bhalo aha. Next, we will learn the functions of cranial nerves by using another mnemonic. But before going to that, we should know what this S, M and B stands for. First is S. S stands for the sensory function. What is sensory function? The sensory nerves relay information from the skin and muscles to the spinal cord and brain. The information is further processed and pain and other sensation are felt. As an example, my fingers comes in contact with the hot object, then sensory nerve relay information from the skin to my brain and I will feel a burning sensation and a pain sensation. Next is M. M stands for motor function. Motor nerves control movements and actions of a body by passing information from brain and spinal cord to the muscles. As per the previous example, the motor nerve passes information from my brain to my hand muscle to move my fingers from the hot contact. And B stands for both the sensory function and motor function. So the mnemonic is, some say marry money, but my brother says big brains matter more. Here S stands for sensory and M stands for motor and B stands for both motor and sensory. The first cranial nerve, that is olfactory. It is a sensory nerve and the function is smell. Second cranial nerve is optic. It is a sensory nerve and the function is sight, eyesight. Next, third is the oculomotor. It is a motor nerve. The function is it moves eye and pupil. Next, the fourth one is the trochlea. It is a motor nerve. It moves eye. Fifth one is the trigeminal. It is a mixed nerve. So both functions are there, sensory and motor. Function is face sensations. Sixth one is abducent. It is a motor nerve. It moves eye. Seventh one is the facial nerve. It is a mixed nerve. It moves face and salivate. Eighth one is the vestibule cochlear or acoustic. It is a sensory nerve. Function is hearing and maintaining balance. Ninth one is the glossopharyngeal. It is a mixed nerve. The function is taste and swallow. And the 10th one is the vagus. Vagus is the mixed nerve. Heart rate, digestion, swallowing, speech, these are the function. And it is not only the function of vagus, it is also vagus plus the function of cranial root of accessory nerves. And 11th one is the accessory nerve. It is the spinal root of accessory nerve. It is a motor nerve. Function is moves head. And the 12th one is hypoglossal. It is also a motor nerve. It moves tongue. If you know other mnemonics, please share with me in the comment box. And if you like this video, then please share it with others. And for getting more videos like this, you can subscribe my YouTube channel or follow my Facebook page NG's Corner for Nurses. And for any queries or suggestions, you are most welcome to comment. Thank you for listening.